So in this video, you'll learn how to change the straps of the Huawei Band 10. So the first step when it comes to changing the straps is to remove them. And to do that, it's fairly simple. All you need to do is simply turn your watch so that the watch face or the screen itself is facing down. And then once you do that, you should see two latches at the back of the watch. So you have one here and one at the top. So in order for you to remove these straps, you have to start by pressing on these latches. And then as you're pressing on them, you just want to pull the strap off the watch. So let's do that. So locate the latch, press on it like that, and then just pull it out, and you can see the strap has come off. You can do the same thing on the other side. If you want to change it, remove it as well, just press on the latch and then pull, and it will be removed. So once you've removed them, you can now start reattaching straps. So either you've chosen to clean the straps that you're currently using, or you've gotten other straps that are compatible with this band. It's completely up to you, but the process of returning them is the same. So all you need to do is simply line up the straps with the watch correctly. So you want to ensure that the button is always on the right so that it's easy for you to remember how to align it. So just put the watch itself like this, horizontally. And now, once you've confirmed that the button is on the right side, once placed horizontally, you can start lining up the straps like that. Once you've lined up the straps, it's time to return them. So all you need to do is simply just turn your watch around like that so that the front is facing down and the back is facing up. And then do the same thing for the straps. Then from here, you want to grab the strap and just insert it into the ports that you see at the bottom and the top of the watch. So let's return the one at the top. All you need to do is simply just insert into the port like that and then push in. You should hear a clicking sound to alert you that it's actually been latched on properly. And so now you'll notice that if you ever try to pull it out without pressing on that latch, it's not coming off, which means that you've attached it properly. So do the same thing on the other end, just insert it into the port and press in. And now you can see I've successfully reattached the straps. So it's completely up to you to decide if you want to use the same straps or if you want to use other third-party straps. But again, remember that the process is the same. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.